Namaskar, Sasrikal. I hope you all will be fine and your family will take care of themselves. Welcome back to the Crime Eye. Let's start the video. The criminal exits in the world. The Lucius barrels of the states in the integers to borders. Only one story in this crime story. Landlords. How a landlord works. How psycho mind works in human. The full information in him. 1983. About 1983, Galaxy Garden apartment, all of personal humans and personal for talkies always be secures. But he talkies to about that, he is landlord. But landlord is a very famous and very lazy types of human. But the saliches of their was. But the saliches of their was, the landlords is like a long day, and everyone long day. To say it. But the slowness of the landlord, the saddened, the criminal exist on the world to lose bridle of our sadness, but bridles. And he say to one plumber name of about to Jane, Jakes, and Mark. Mark is very experienced plumber in his life. He is a very clear, very sewage pipes. The apartment sewage pipes are almost blocked, and he clear the very sewage pipes on their work and the smashings of the nipples, and always we think etc. But the Louis bridals of the serial class was because we happens to see it the landlords to integers and showed it. But there was the polybags, black polybags and meat forms on his sketches. But there the exist to hear their van to saltness and always be saltness to teacher's body is to sand it and lose bed and lose bed. For a hour to slash the integers to the criminal exist on the psycho minds, he killed 15 kills and he expend the time on dead bodies. Do you imagine? But there was the parties of the landlords, integers to the parties, etc. But there was the criminals to exits is to integers. But there is the Louis Bridle of the sketches the very different types of mind psychoticals. To his there were the sketches and every types of integers to 40 billiards parts and etc. to that sense. But the that set is a not that set. This is a very critical case on US Canada's Carly Garden apartment on North London. Like about to dash to 15 dead bodies on his basement. Not a basement, it's like a tile floors under the gap of this. And is one murder to attempting in above 2 years, arresting before 5 years, 1975. He is sitting on the bar and one boy names of the Steven come on bar and he is been to vodka drink. But the bars people say this is you are not 18 plus, I am not gives anything to you. But the Danny Nelson say the criminal name is a Danny Nelson. Then Danny Nelson say, please come and I am introduce alcohol and ever smoking for sadness. To there was the Louis bridal and our two seats and criminal dies forever. But the criminal exits about that the kicks like animals. Animals is the buffer of the humans. But lion is the king of forest. But the serial killer is the of the psycho minds to sad it. But above the skies to Louis Berners to sad it. And above them to sell it of the sadness and integers. Integers is not map chapter. Integers like above them in my language to about to side by side and step by steps rules. What's about the times on spent by body? It's like 3-4 hours, 7-4-8 months in one. What's integers? He's the sides, the parties, news bridals, attack landlords. But the he says in the vertex is the same by same to heats, but the same vertex of the bricks and he is to about to fort, and the bread of the fields is knighted. For every times to meet it that by to about that wise next exist to about it. But there was the exists about on social medias platforms. It's not about it, but your safety is the bridles of the teachers by steps to side it. And there was the about is now to savings to side it. But the killer says arrested them of ours. One story is a 1998 in the one girls about to die. And fourth, his punishments of his wife. His husband punished his wife. But the wife is the very psycho mind human. He's the psycho mind to arrested it for the ever ones. But the ever ones to sad it like wins and about it for our bodies. It's the parties of the landlords like it is the jams of the meat, human meat sparse about the jams. It's like serial killers of the next sides of meat. But there was the about to catch sadness to integers and about them. But there was a no. But to say it and about the criminal exits on lives. But the he's some to body parts in the he's skies. For about the basements and rib cages and burn it. For ever to one see it, there was is the ever slides. For ever once. And he wants to about the criminal exist of the there was integers. But nothing to the body parts, 40, 50 body parts on their vast, but their highs. Nothing to sit line by lines to see. But there was the integers. He is the acquested by the hours. But the Louis partners the Jerry Deframs to sided and the one by one kills afraid by the dance of the nets. But the bats is the bats of the dry and butts and he's wrapped them girls and kill them. But the Jeffrey Dahmer's Doctor Doom. This is not Doctor Doom of Marvel, the Shipman. The Doctor Shipman is a real human, a psycho, very fasting psycho killer. Like a Doctor Doom. His kill are humans, but he kills his patients. You listen to everyone mouth to say Doctor is a god. But Doctor is a not god. He is a heaven. He is the what animal and devil to say that. But there was to that it to there was nice. And to sad. But there was to about his sky to nighted. And sometimes related as the birds about to sad it to our birds for night chases. And to 7 8 minutes he just say it's and about to that skies. But the oxygen is not a 7 8 minutes. This is a 7 8 months on the sky to set sky forces to that. But there was the 7 8 minutes to learn and about to that it's to set about the standing on the floor to had kill them the friendly squares. Above the heights to say it. His height is the very bad to say it. But he's cutting his hands, legs, and body parts to eat it. But there was nothing cutting his organs to sell it. Of ever to one is to fat it's to that is ever one to see. But there was the nothing to kids it to ever. Thanks for watching and and this types of more videos like subscribe and comments. Thanks for watching.